In this video we're going to show you how to remove the radio from a Clio Mark III. Tools you'll need for the job, just a pair of that type radio key. So insert the radio keys into the holes there, both in at the same time. You'll feel them click when they're in. When they're in, just push a little bit of force outwards and pull towards you. And you can remove the radio keys just by pushing on the tabs where they sit in there. So just push one in, the other, and that'll allow you to remove the keys. So with the keys removed, pull the radio out, just push on the wires just to free them off a bit so you can get it out. So about there. And there'll be a different amount of plugs on the back depending on what vehicle options you've got. You usually have an aerial on this end. Just using a screwdriver, pop that off, and out the cable guide. And there'll be a different amount of plugs here, and in this case there's 4 on pretty much every plug. It looks slightly different but the concept's the same. Just push on the little tab, and that's the radio removed.